One of the questions that I get asked quite frequently, and I think everybody here in the office does also, when we have guests come in, we have customers, we have people for training, they say, why do you have a Lego city in your office? It's not every day you go into an office and you see a Lego city that, this size and this detailed. We built it for R&D purposes and for training. What we do is we source actual control systems to automate the city here. For example, for the power plant, we have a General Electric Mark 6E controller run the turbine in there. Then we have a Emerson DCS that will run the power plant. Once we start the power plant, we have to put power out on the grid. So we have a substation that's powered from one of our partners, SEL. We go and we close, the breaker, and everything starts coming to life here in the city. Put power out on the grid. For some reason, our generator goes down. We have our wind turbines that are spinning and producing power, putting out on the grid. All the buildings are individually lit. The chemical plant has different instrumentation in there. It has a different distributed control system in there. All of this stuff produces different protocols, different functionality that feeds back into our platform for R&D purposes. The really neat thing about it is when we use it for training, we can see the whole functioning city and what happens if we kill the generator, the lights go out, how do we bring them back? The whole thing here, we wanted to show an entire city, from power to water to recreational purposes to different retail. It took about 4 months to build, about 60,000 Lego pieces. When we get it all automated, it'll certainly help out the R&D efforts and training. You go around to different parts of the city, you'll find little Easter eggs, we'll say that we put in here. From the power plant operator, we have Homer Simpson. We have a Sasquatch running around the woods out here. We have different characters, Lego figurines throughout here. I went and bought a couple control cabinets. That's where we're going to be able to see our GE control systems, our Emerson control systems, our Siemens and Mitsubishi and Allen Bradley and all the other ones that we're going to install here. The purpose of them having out here in the open is so we can show everybody what these systems are for training. A lot of people talk about PLCs and DCSs and all this stuff, but the way this is being laid out, we'll be able to say, hey, that's a DCS, this is what we're working on, this is what we're doing, this is actually what a PLC and DCS is, and this is how it works.